Hello, today we will guide you through how to turn on/off autocode completion and Google Antigravity. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to access the setting that controls automatic code suggestions, sometimes called auto code completion, inside Google Antigravity. This can be helpful if you want fewer pop-up suggestions while typing, or if you prefer to turn them back on later for faster coding. To begin, open the Antigravity IDE software on your device. Wait for the application to fully load so the top menu and workspace are visible. If you already have a project open, that's fine, but it isn't required for this setting change. Once the IDE is open, move to the top right corner of the window and click on Settings. This is where Antigravity keeps many of the customization options for the editor, including behavior related to typing, suggestions, and navigation. After opening Settings, look for the option labeled Open Antigravity IDE User Settings and click it. This will take you into the user-level configuration area where you can adjust how the editor behaves for your own workspace and preferences. User settings are useful because they let you personalize the experience without changing anything more broadly than necessary. Inside the settings area, direct your attention to the left side navigation panel. You'll want to look for the tab section in that sidebar. Depending on your window size, you may need to scan carefully through the list of categories to find it. Once you see tab in the left navigation, click on it to open its related options. Now that you're inside that section, find the setting for editor suggestion. This is the control that affects whether automatic code completion appears as you type. To turn autocode completion off, switch off editor suggestion. Once disabled, the editor will stop showing those automatic suggestions in the same way, which can make the interface feel cleaner and less distracting for some users. If your goal is to turn autocode completion back on instead, simply return to the same setting and enable editor suggestion again. That makes this a quick setting to revisit anytime your coding preferences change. After making the change, you can close the settings panel and continue working as usual. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make a noticeable difference in how your editor feels day to day. That's it. You've now learned how to turn autocode completion on or off in Google Antigravity.